Viozon ergonomics, and just going over the box here, it's a 360-degree angle adjustment that way. It's got shock-proof elastic built into it, and it fits smartphones 4.7 to 7.2. Long ways there. You can see how it mounts on the bike. Actually, it looks pretty simple. Let's just go ahead, open this thing up. Actually, I'll open it from the bottom here because I did open it up some. Okay, that's the actual phone part mount. There's the mount that goes on the handlebars. That's the ball mount. And it looks like you get a little set of instructions here. Okay, so the instructions are very well detailed. They look to be kind of more like an engineering type instruction. It goes through everything that you're going to get, which I just verified that. You can see the distance that it would mount on is a 24.8 millimeter. It's got a spring arm mount there, and this thing will actually accommodate a GoPro on the bottom. Oh, I see. A GoPro can still mount on there. Now that's cool. Let me go ahead and put this thing together and get it ready to mount on a bike, and then I'll come back. Okay, there it is, everybody. I got it all together here. Let me just kind of like show you what I did. So really, you just use the little supplied Allen key here, go right through right there. You remove that screw and it goes just like that. You see how that L pattern's going that way, and this will go up facing you. So think of it just like that, and this is how you'll take it on and off the bike. They did give you several little type of like rubberized, it looks like kind of spacers right there. It's got a GoPro mount right here, and I do have a GoPro. We will test that. I'll try to use that on there. I don't know if that will go in there. To put it on the bike, you're going to loosen it and go like that right there. There's one other feature I want to show y'all that I'm not going to use it on mine. You see these things right here? They actually gave you two of them. These are quick releases, and what you'll do with these quick releases, I have a different type of case, but if you just had your phone or a flat case, you could set that on there like this, and check this out. Hold down on that and look at that. This pops right out. Just like that. Very interesting. I like it. You know, Viozon, they always do things like this. They always kind of go above and beyond. See that? Now that's 3M tape. It would be on your phone, on the back of your phone, just like that. And it'd be like a quick release to go in and out. Very interesting on that. And it looks like that's some more little spacer material if you have to go down in there. So what I'm going to use it, I'm going to go ahead and mount this thing on my bike. So let's take it over there, mount it to the bike, put the phone in there, and try a GoPro in here and see how that works. All right, check that out, everybody. See how it kind of popped into place right there? I got the larger spacer on there. I can tighten it up. Let me grab the little Allen key, tighten this up a little more. So it's going to stop that from moving around. There's that. Go ahead and mount this in there. Oh, that worked great. So here it is, fully mounted on there. You see how the GoPro is right here. So if you want to film your rides, you just reach down, mash the button, you can film with the GoPro. That's a cool feature to have right there. The mount right here, you see how it moves? That is because there's a spring-loaded feature in there. Check this out. That is something very unique to me. So if I hit a bump or something, it's almost like a built-in little gimbal for your phone. Look at that. So watch this, everybody. See that little shock absorber? I have never seen a mount that does something like this. It actually bounces as you bounce. Now, obviously, if you're going to be jumping or doing anything like that, you're probably going to have to tighten this thing way up, which I've got it tightened down pretty tight right there and tight right there. And you can see how the GoPro is in the front. Easily mounted right there, and this is mounted right here. And then if I want to just remove it quickly, I like that. So let's say I get out somewhere, I want to take it off, I don't want to take it out of this. Look at this, locks right back down on there. So I get to a store or a park or somewhere, I just take this off. There you go, put it in my pocket. And if I wanted to just take this off and mount that mount on the back, the 3M mount, that would work just as good too. But I like how that works. This is one of the coolest cell phone mounts on a bike I've ever seen, especially because there's a little shock absorber built into it. And I recommend for anyone that's just looking for a good solid phone mount that kind of like has a shock absorber built into it and a GoPro and headlight mount. They make a headlight that mounts on this. I might order one of the headlights so I can have the whole setup there. I like the fact that this whole setup can mount my phone and my headlight. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Viozon bike phone mount, GoPro mount. headlight mount. See you on the next video.